There was a guy with a blue do-rag I saw. I don't see him. Yeah. There was definitely a guy with a blue do-rag. Context on this one. Capture the flag. There's one flag in the center. I realize it's behind me and I go to grab it. Not gonna lie, this is probably one of the most saltiest moments I've ever been in paintball. I clearly had seen them break on him, and then he retaliated and shot me in the leg. I called the hit. I kept my composure. I could have gone up there and said, "Hey man, you're hit," all that, but I just thought, you know what? It's not worth it. Go ask the ref for a paint check.
Can I get a paint check up on that guy in the tower there? He's on right side, second floor.
He did saying after the game he didn't feel a break, and I totally get that, it happens, but I just thought it'd be really cool to see me turn it in, but hey, it happens.
I seen you running over on that side. I was scared.
All I saw was the bullet start flying and hitting the grass. Like, oh no. Then I got tagged and walking back, someone else, I think a friendly got me. But it's whatever. Whew.
All this chaos, it's hard to tell.
Oh yeah. Especially when they have it on their guns and stuff.
Yeah.
This guy was super cool, had a lot of fun this day. Keeping the video short, trying different editing styles. Let me know which ones you like the best. Thought I'd really cut this one down, cut all out the wish wash, but it was a pleasure playing. I hope to see everyone out there.